How to transfer money from Wells Fargo to another bank. Now, right now, I'm currently using my laptop for you to be able to have a better view of what we are doing right now. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. If you're using one as well, then just simply go to the search bar and then type in Wells Fargo. Now, in here, all I have to do is just choose on the first result, which will route you to the wellsfargo.com's official website, and this is going to be the interface. Now, once you're here, if you don't have an account, just simply create an account here on their website. And if you have an account, just simply go ahead and log in. Now, take note that what we're doing right now will actually be the same on using the application of Wells Fargo. Now, upon logging in, all you have to do is just click on transfer on your dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, again, log into your account, and then after clicking or tapping on transfer money, then you'll need to fill up the from recipient and then the to recipient. To transfer money between accounts at Wells Fargo and accounts at another bank, you just have to select add non-Wells Fargo accounts. And from there, all I have to do is just to input the specific amount and how much you would like to be transferring money with, and then you are good to go. So that's it. It's how easy and quick you can transfer money from Wells Fargo to another bank.